Hey guys, so I told you I'd give you a quick tutorial on how to solve the middle layer right here. So I've got the top layer done. I've got all the pieces in the right position. I've got the centers lined up on the sides as well so that I have basically a bunch of T's on here, right? And so what I need to do is find out how to get them all set up like this. So I'm kind of lucky enough that this one ended up in the right place, the blue and red. So now what I've got to do is I got to figure out where are the rest of them. Now, ideally what I want is I want them to be in the bottom layer, because the bottom layer, that doesn't matter, I can mess that up. And the bottom layer, if the top layer is white, then the bottom layer is yellow. So what that means is that anything that doesn't have a yellow in it is going to go up in the middle layer. So for example, the green and the red, that has to go over here between the green and the red. So right now it's got the yellow and, the orange and the blue. So to get the green and the red over there, let's see. First of all, I need to take note of what color's on the side and what's on the bottom. So on the bottom we have green, on the side I have red. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to match this red side piece to the red center first of all. There it is. And that's just to kind of orient myself. Now, because this is the green and red, it's going to go up here. And to get it up here, I've got to do this algorithm. What I'm going to do first is if the side piece is red and the bottom piece is on the left side, or green on the left side, then first thing I need to do is move this bottom piece away from the green side. All right, so now I've got it over here. It's just waiting to be used. So then what I'm going to do is I want to get rid of this piece. So I'm going to drop it down to the bottom layer as well. Okay, once I've got that, then I can move my green and red back underneath the red. And now I can put these white pieces back up to the top and just turn it up. Okay. Now what you'll notice is that I've messed up the top here, but what I've done is I've made the green and red line up with the green, red, and white corner piece. Even though it's in the wrong place, they've lined up. So now here comes the magic. I'm going to turn my cube. I'm going to pretend that this corner piece here is going up here just like I did when I was solving the first layer. So I just move it out of the way. I drop the side down, slip it back into place, and boom, there it is. I've got that corner solved. Let me show you another one. Let's say I've got this piece right here. This is the green and orange piece, but it's in the wrong position. It's like I need it to turn around. It's in the right place, but it's in the orientation that's the opposite orientation. So what I want to do is I want to move it down to the bottom. So what I can do for that is I'm just going to put a piece in there temporarily. And it doesn't matter which piece I put. I just have to put something in there. So I think I'll just I'll use this one. I'll use the blue and the yellow. And I don't have to line it up because I don't care what color this is. I just want to get that down. So if I'm going to put this up there, then in theory I would turn it out of the way, drop the side, turn it back again, then bring that back up. And now I've got it right there lined up with the corner piece. Now I'm going to move that corner piece back to where it was before, just like I did in the first layer. And now my green and orange is no longer here. Where is it? Ah, there it is. There's my green and orange. So now, again, same thing I did before. Here I've got the side piece is orange and the bottom piece is green, or the side face is orange and the bottom face is green. I'm going to match it up with the orange. This time, the green is on the right side, so I just turn it away from that side. So I'm going to go left, so the opposite side. Then I'm going to drop this corner down. There it is. I'm going to move my piece that I want. There's my green and orange right there. I'm going to move it back to where it was. There it is. And then I'm going to move this back up so I can get those white pieces that are part of my top back in place. Now I've lined this up again. You see how I did that? There's my corner piece that goes up here. It's green and orange. It's lined up with the green and orange side piece. And then this is where the magic happens. Turn it, pretend that this is my corner that I'm just trying to get up there, and I do the same algorithm I do with the first layer. turn it over here, drop the side, slip it back into place. Oh, you can see it happening, can't you? And there it is. Now it's all lined up. And oh, I got one last one. I'll do this kind of quick. So I got the orange and blue piece that's got to go in here, orange and blue. So it's not in the right place yet because I've got to match the blue. So there it is. Orange is on the right side, so I move it out of the way, drop the top down, slip it back into place. There's the orange and blue again. And then put this back up to the top layer. Here they are lined up. I just have to move this up here now. So out of the way, down, back, up. Second layer done. Woohoo!